2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, heated front seats, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, power moonroof, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.